everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a card share. So the share that I'm doing today is for the Not2Shabby shop. She has a, what do you call it, like a designer's challenge. So if you want to be a January guest designer, you can put in for a project. For me, it's also a way to use my products. So I kind of like doing challenges now and again. If you want to find the challenge, it really is one that you use a mood board. I found that on Instagram. I think she's Jamie Scrappin Stampers, and it's got the mood board there. Anyway, let me show you what I made. I used this Whimsy Stamps Slimline Waves die, which I got from the Not2Shabby shop actually. And here's the die. It's pretty cool. And I used this stamp set, which is CC Designs, and I don't know what it's called. Big Snowy Hugs, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. It's called, it doesn't say. I hate when they don't say. I don't think this one says, but anyway, this is what it looks like. It's got this Yeti on there, these Yetis. So really cute, and I have the dies that go with it. And so this is what I made, a slimline card, which is like, of course, my new favorite thing. And so let's see if that helps. There we go. So I use that die. And this paper right here is a Die Cuts with a View paper pad that I got last year at Tuesday morning, I believe. And so it's got this kind of pastel feel, which is kind of what the mood board sort of had, that pastel feel to it. And it also had like green glitter and a red Santa hat. And so I did include those in my card and kind of use the background of the paper to sort of be the background of my card, because it has these little houses and birds and trees and everything. So I just kind of played on that. And I did use the mountains that come in the set and just kind of color those in with my Copics, and then I topped them with some stickles. And then I've got my my fun little Yeti, and he actually, or she, has some stickles here and there too, like, you know, she's glistening in snow. And then my little girl and my little snowman, they also has some stickles. This one has the green stickles, and then some diamond stickles here, and then some diamond stickles up here, and then red on the hat. And then the sentiment, and then right up here is my favorite little puffy heart stickers. I use these whenever I can, and these are from Michael's Reflections a million years ago. And so that is my card share. Make sure that you check out the Not2Shabby shop. And I think Jamie is, I think she's Not2Shabby on YouTube, but she's Jamie Scrappin Stampers on Instagram, where you can see the mood board. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Creating the Heart.